Hello everyone, welcome to my channel once again. In this episode, I shall show you how to write several complex equations involving differential equations, partial differentiation, dot notation for differentiation, integration, and complex partial differential equation. So let's start and see. So first of all, let's create a new text file and save it. Say tutorial 2. Save it and let's start with document class. 12 point is fine, and this is article. Now let's write the packages which I need here. Use package times for Times New Roman font. Use package ptmx. This is also related to font in equations, and use package msmath. Fine, these are enough for this purpose. And now begin document. Click it here. So in document is already created, and let's as you can see here, you can find 2 headings and 1 section. So in this tutorial you will learn about making sections as well as headings, and I will show you how to refer one equation in the text. Okay, so let's see. Text bf Liouville's equation. This is from statistical mechanics. Begin equation. You can put centering. Now you have to write the equation. So it's fraction d of rho, and this is dt. This is simple, is equal to, now I shall be writing a partial differential. Okay, partial derivative. So how to write that? It's simple, just like it. Partial, yes, partial, and this is rho. This is rho. Fine. So del rho is written, and del t. So again partial and t. So let's check it first. So you can see d rho dt is equal to del rho del t has been generated here. So proceed to the next part. That is the summation. Sum, and the lower limit is I equal to 1. So write it there, and the upper limit is infinite. So you have to write that, or you can find infinity sign from the symbols available here. This t is infinite. I have written that. However, you also can find it from the plenty of symbols available here. It is the infinite sign, so you can click it here also. Fine. Now go back to the task. Oh sorry, it's not infinity, it's f. It's f. Okay, fine. Now again partial differentials are there. Frac, partial rho and del qi. So partial q subscript I times q dot I. So dot q I. So this dot slash dot will produce a dot right on the top of qi. So let's check it. Here you can see dot is there right on the top of qi. So it is the derivative of qi. So let's do the rest of the thing. So plus partial sorry, frac will be there first. Fraction, just cut it. Rho. Okay, now del pi partial pi and pi dot. So dot pi. It is the equation, so run it first. As you can see, I have got the equation. Now there is another complex equation from Fermi particles. It's taken from the temperature dependence of Fermi energy. So let's write this equation 2 here. So make a heading first. From the topic of dependence of Fermi energy on temperature. Fine. Let's proceed. Begin equation. Just click it here. Centering. integration. This is int, lower limit is 0 and the upper limit is infinity. So again fraction, x square times e to the power minus x okay. Now here is third bracket 1 plus e to the power x dx. So let's run it. Yes, it has come. Fine. Now is equal to again integration, the lower limit is 0 and the upper limit is infinity. Fine. And summation is there. The lower limit is n equal to 1. Now n equal to summation is from n equal to 1 to infinity. So minus 1 to the power n minus 1 in x square e to the power minus nx dx. Okay, I want to mention this equation in the text, so just you can write it here, label, and make a name there according to your convenience. Let's make it farming. Fine. So as it can be observed from equation ref farming, so it will come here. As it can be observed from equation ref farming, that will produce equation 1. That's the equation 2. That's the number of this equation. Okay, if you introduce another equation just before it, it will automatically be equation number 3 and it will change accordingly, so you have not to worry about it. So let's see. Okay, to come the equation number, I first should click PDF LaTeX and then quick build. As you can see, it has come equation number 2. This equation, I am talking about this equation in the text. Now let's make a section, and here you can see 1 is there, that number of the section. If you don't want to put this number here, the section number, so you just choose this, so 1 will not come here. As you will see that Schroedinger CHR. Now I need this O double dot, for that I'm using this. Okay, Yes, you can see Schrödinger equation in spherical polar coordinate system. So it's a pretty large equation. It will take time to write. So let's start. Begin equation. You may put centering. So just leave it as it is, partial. That will produce del. Okay. Let's run it. Yeah, fine. One by, sorry, by what to do to sin theta Now you can see there is a double partial differentiation. So I have to write that. For that I should use this type of things: partial and psi partial shell phi square v psi so let's check it. Oh, it is done then. Oh, sorry, there is a mistake there. This third bracket should be here instead of this place, so let's correct it. Yes, fine this time. Now add some text and refer this equation. So let's refer this equation by labeling it AC, make it AC, and let's talk about this. Let us assume that the solution of equation ref AC can be written in terms of the product of the two functions as given below. Again, let's make an equation there. And write it psi r theta phi is equal to the radial part times the angular part, y theta phi. Okay, run it. So you can see, as I have used the quick build mode, the equation number hasn't come here. So what I need actually, I should click this PDF LaTeX, click it, and this time this will appear. As you can see, it has appeared. So I guess you can now write yourself equations involving differential equations, partial differentiations, these dot symbols for defining the first derivative as well as second derivative. You can write also double dot. You can write integrations, definite integrations, summations. These are complex equations which you often encounter in physics, and this pretty large equation from Schrodinger's spherical polar coordinate systems equation and its solution. So I guess I have covered almost everything which you encounter in writing your papers or something in physics and mathematics as well. So I hope you have enjoyed my video this time, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like it, and I shall be bringing such kind of videos later also. So please keep in touch, and thanks for your cooperation and patience. Thank you.